how to arrive DP. DP calculation problem may come in the examination. We will see. OCC limit sanctioned. A bank sanctioned OCC limit of 40 lakhs to a party. And they have stipulated a margin 20%. Okay. Now we have released the limit. Party has submitted the stock statement. Now we have to arrive DP. So they have told stock is 45 lakhs. Debtors are 35 lakhs. That means he has given credit. He has done credit sales. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors means he has taken some raw material or stock on credit. Okay, this is 30 lakhs. Now we have to arrive DP. Now let us see how to arrive DP. First we see what is the stock available with him. 45 lakhs. Right? What are the book debts available with him? Sundry debtors. 35 lakhs. Right? Out of which this creditors means that in this stock, this 30 lakhs credit stock is available. That we have to deduct. That is nothing but creditors we have to minus. What is that? 30 lakhs. So you will get 15 lakhs stock. This is paid stock, right? This is paid stock. Book debts, no problem. So we can take 35 lakhs straight away. Now we have to reduce margin from this paid stock. What is the stock margin? They told 20%. So margin is 20%. From 15 lakhs, 20% comes to 3 lakhs. Here they have not separately told, so we will take 20% on here also. This is come to 7 lakhs. 35 into 20%. Now you will arrive DP. 15 minus 3 is 12 lakh. 35 minus 7 is 28 lakh. So 12 lakh from stock and 28 lakhs from book debts. Total is 40 lakhs DP we can give to this party. Okay, this is one method. Now one more problem we see, same type. See, a OCC limit sanction 60 lakhs. Margin for stock is 25%. Margin for book debts 40%. Bank stipulated. This is bank stipulated. Now party has submitted stock statement to you. Stock he has given 8 lakhs. Debtors 50 lakhs. Creditors, that means he has taken some stock on credit. This is 20 lakhs. Arrive DP. Now same. We will arrive stock first. Then we arrive book debts. What are the book debts he has given to us? Stock is 80 lakhs. And book debts are 50 lakhs. Now some stock in this stock, some creditors are available. That means he has brought on credit. So that we will deduct first. Credit stock. That is how much? 20 lakhs, right? Then 60 lakhs is the paid stock, I can say. This is a paid stock. Now book debts we can take straight away. Now we have to reduce margin. Here if you see margin, they have told for stock it is 25%, book debt it is 40%. So we take 25% on stock. This is stock, we take 25%. This is book debt, we take 40% margin. Okay. Now you see 25% on 60 lakhs. How much it is? 15 lakhs. 50 lakhs. 40% is the margin. So here it will come as 20 lakhs. Right. So 16 minus 15, it comes to 45 lakh plus 50 minus 20, it comes to 30 lakhs. Total is 75 lakh DP. This is how we have to take DP calculation. Thank you.